Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Sub-Saharan African. Prevalence of the different forms of albinism varies considerably by population, and is highest overall in people of sub-Saharan African descent. Today, the prevalence of albinism in sub-Saharan Africa is around 1 in 5,000, while in Europe and the US it is 1 in 20,000.
Let's help you make your mark.
Inborn errors of metabolism. In 1908 by British physician Sir Archibald Garrett, who postulated that inherited disorders such as alkaptonuria and albinism result from reduced activity or complete absence of enzymes involved in certain biochemical pathways.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.